it's held there by Gelinas. Moves it quickly across to Moore. No lane to shoot. Grabner was on him. Now the Devils got it going on with the power play for 11 seconds with Matthias still in the box. Here's Stempniak. Great move to get the puck back to Gelinas. Swing and a miss. And he hears it from the crowd here in Toronto as Matthias steps out of the box.
Well, Gelinas, I don't know if he's got his head down because he's a little embarrassed. The boys haven't said anything yet to him. Maybe they'll wait a little bit. But he gets jammed right and tight to his foot. And here he is before the game, Gelinas, as well. He lights the stick. Well, yeah, his stick hasn't been that hot, that's for sure.